2 questions from unit 2. So I think CO course outcome 1 and 2, which is covered, which are because NB accredited department, and level L is the level of the question. How the question level is according to the Bloom's taxonomy level. Okay, and then when you move on to part B, you have 2 questions with either or type, 6 or 7. That is from unit 1. Is clear? 8 or 9 from unit 2. So from 6 or 7, you are supposed to answer any one of the question, and 8 or 9 with any one of the question from either or type, which is asked from unit 1 from 6 or 7, and 8 or 9 from unit 2. Are you all clear, ma? This will be your examination pattern. So totally 30 marks will be for your unit 1. Is clear? I think now I will share you the screen with you, then it's easy for me. Is clear, people?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Scroll down a little bit.
Yes, ma? I can't understand. Part A.
Part B.
Okay. Part A, 5 questions. Part B, 2 questions. Actually, we give 4 questions, but with either or choice. It's clear? Don't think that this is some other question paper. Okay. This is for your reference we have taken. Okay. So today I told you that we will discuss the important questions in unit 1 and unit 2. So you are supposed to answer unit 1 and unit 2. Just we will have some preview. Okay, and I think I will move on to LMS. So here LMS, you just see, I think the common information I will give you. In announcement part, we will upload CAE question paper. It's clear. I will show you some of the model demo. There you have a mock. There it will be conducted. So here, when you click on this is for other subject I am giving. So we have a continuous assessment examination will be there. You click and you can see your CAE question paper. Okay, this is for some other subject. So you click and you download your question paper and you can start writing. So LMS, you are supposed to log in, and Zoom, you are supposed to write your examination. So invigilation will be done in Zoom. So once you click on your CAE question paper, it will be downloaded. So once it is downloaded, you open up and you write it. And one more thing, after completing your exam, you just scan all the pages in order, and that you are ensure that size of the paper should not exceed 40 MB. Then you can able to upload your answer sheet. I think your timing of examination is from 10:15. So be ready at 10 o'clock. And 19th, you have programming with C and C++. So 10:15, you be start writing your examination. Your question paper will be sharply open by 10:15 AM. So you will be able to download your question paper. Then you can start writing. And you all know 11:30, 11:15, you are supposed to complete your examination, and 15 minutes for scanning and uploading process. So your internet facility should be fast to upload your answer sheets. Okay, and so check your size of the paper. I think you people have 11th and 12th, you have already you have attended in online. So you know how to scan it, and you always have your answer sheet in PDF, then it is easy for you to upload. So while you're uploading your answer sheet, be order. Okay, order means in sense how you are writing. You can shuffle and write, that's not a problem, but your paper should be in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, how you put your page number and write. At starting front page, you are supposed to write your name and roll number and your section. That are all very mandatory. Is clear? And one more thing, and your group as well as your section. And now we will, any other doubts regarding this? Okay. So I think I have shared some of the university question paper for you in your WhatsApp group. From that university question paper only, I have taken the important questions. So you people kindly check this. So you just see, this is unit 1. Already we have discussed yesterday. So the structure of basic structure of C program, C tokens, and control statement and functions are very important part B portion in first unit. Structure of C program, C tokens, control statement and functions. I already mentioned control statements and functions are very important for topic in the first unit. Yes, clear. And when we move on to the second unit, I hope that second unit, all the topics are very important. We can't judge it that because array string structure. So everything is very important. So we will see the question paper and I will share this question bank there. Okay. So we will see some important unit 1 part B questions. Actually, these are all part B questions. What is operator? Explain 5 operators in detail with examples. So what is the operator meaning here? Comes under what topic?
Arithmetic operator.
Basic structure.
Yeah, yeah, Sivapriya Kirti, correct. Tokens is correct. Yeah, all arithmetic operator, bitwise operator, logical operators, all operators. So C token you may explain. Okay, next part. Okay, thank you, Ma. Yeah. Then what do you mean by looping? Looping. Looping concept. Tell me.
Repeating the same.
Huh?
Repeating the same path again and again.
Okay, tell me the 3 looping control statements. Yeah, that is the thing.
For while
While loop, do
Yeah,
while loop,
Jagan,
for loop.
Jagan, correct. No, Kirti, you will not come. For loop, while loop, and do while. Yeah, Balasubramanian, Tejashwini, all are correct. Yeah, all are correct. Yes. Okay. And explain in detail with formatted input-output functions. That means for what type question?
formatted, unformatted.
Get
Yeah,
char,
formatted.
gets,
What are the
put char,
examples?
puts.
Yeah.
Printf and scanf.
Printf and
Printf.
scanf alone will come for formatted. I
Get
post
char, gets, gets, put char, put.
Yeah, all are correct, Varun, but that are comes under the yeah. Formatted means you are supposed to write printf and scanf statement. Okay. Explain in detail about the basic structure of a C program. So basic structure of C program.
Documentation section.
Yeah, documentation section. You are supposed, this is because this basic structure don't confuse with your structure topic in C. It is a basic structure. You have to explain documentation, preprocessor, main section and all. Yeah, very good. Explain about call by value, call by reference. Why no answer? Call by value, call by reference. Which topic?
Function parameters, man.
Yeah, function, passing the correct, passing the function parameters. Call by value and call by reference. So you have to explain what is call by value and what is call by reference along with one example of program. As clear, very good. Okay. Explain the various data types supported by C. What are the various data types?
Keywords.
Data type, char data type.
Int,
Char,
Yeah, primary
float.
data type, user defined data type. Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah, that we have to explain about that. That is the data type supported by C. They are explaining. With example, explain various bitwise operators. So C token, how many C tokens are there? 6. Under that, the question is very specific to explain any of the type, or it is very specific to explain any of the category. Okay. Then explain the concept of recursion. Recursion we have explained in the PPT with factorial example. So you have to explain the concept of recursion with one example. Okay. Again, the same question. Discuss about the different types of operators. Okay. You see the 10th question. What are the different decision control structure? Explain with example. Different decision control structure. What are they?
Conditional, unconditional.
Yeah, very good. Conditional and unconditional, but different decision means you have to suppose to explain only.
If else.
Conditional decision structure only. If else, nested
if switch.
Yeah, switch. Very good, very good. So you have to explain about the category of if and as well as switch case. That is will comes under the decision control structure. What do you mean by branching? Explain any 5 conditional control statement in with examples. So branching in sense, what do you have to explain? Branching. Branching means you are supposed to explain about the unconditional control structure, that is break, continue, go to, and all you have to explain. 5 conditional control statement means what are the 5 conditional control statement? So that will obviously if else. Okay, if else,
If else is nested if break switch.
break switch will not come. Nested is switch. This is 5 conditional control statements. Switch. Are you all clear? And branching, you are supposed to explain about this. Yes, thank you. I think some of them were explained. Yeah, thank you, Alma. Okay, explain various constants, that is will comes under the C token. Overview of C language itself, they have asked in the question paper. So this are all I have taken from the question paper, which is shared you in WhatsApp group. Okay. Then you see single character IO statements. What are they? Single character input output functions. Single character input output functions. Single character. Yeah, get char, Benny Manuel correct. Get C, get char, put char, get CH, put CH, get C, put C. You are supposed to explain about that single character input output IO functions. Okay. Then you all see this is your part A question. And we will go with programs. This is part B programs. Then we will move part B programs. Okay, you just see, I think while we move on to your unit 1, we have a program using control statements. There you click, we have uploaded all the programs using the control statement, and we have explained all the programs and we have executed in your class also. And while we giving practice program in C, you people are understanding that out of 630 students, only 245 attempts are there. So in unit 1, if they ask any programs, if you are strong enough, only you can able to write the program. And one more thing, you can understand that ma'am don't know if I didn't attend it. You all know here who are all attending or who are all not attempting, we can able to see. Who have not attempted the quiz also, we can able to download the report. So one thing you understand, you have to complete it, because your assignment 1, 5 marks I will definitely taken from your practicing program. So not now, you after your exam, you complete it all. Okay, 5 marks definitely will taken from practice programs in C. Yes. So now you just see prime or not program they have asked. Sum of n numbers using recursion concept. Factorial of your given program using loop. Okay, and leap year program also they have given. So one program I have taken and I have put it over here. So checking the leap year, I think they used if else if concept and they have put it there. So why we have to, what is this operator? What is this operator, ma? If year modulus, okay, and this is double equal operator, and that is also a leap year. Okay, and one more thing, if it is not divisible, that is not a leap year. And one more condition, %4 is not equal, that is also a leap year. If not this condition, definitely the particular year is not a leap year. So this, but you have to use only function concept, you have to write it. This is normal if else if concept. So function concept, how will you write? You see this program, same program, you try it in function concept. There they have told you leap year you are supposed to use as a function argument. So what you have to write? Very simple concept. We have to made it. You have to write this program as your subprogram. Your what are the conditions I'm writing now? That's your subprogram. First you have to write that. How will you write now? So you just type it void. Okay, and sorry, it is in caps. Void. I am putting leap year is my function name, and here I have to pass my arguments. So int. Okay, and then I have to, we all know we have to include all the header files. So after that I have to write my main program. I have to write my main program. So a main program, you all know, int main or void main, whatever may be, if I'm not returning int main. And here you have to get your year. So int, yes, just year alone. Okay, I think the first letter I'm getting capital, int. Okay, then you have to get your year, scanf, %d, ampersand, year I'm getting. Okay, and then you all know this is function declaration. We will write our function declaration part will be there. Okay, declaration will be there. Then definitely function declaration will comes here. And then what will happen? I have to write. Tell me.
Function calling.
Function calling. So what is my function name?
Leap
Leap
year.
year.
Leap year.
Int year. I have to pass my arguments. Leap year, int year. Okay, that's it. This is my main program. So after this main program, I have to give my function declaration. So this is my function calling. This is my function calling. Okay, then function definition, definitely what I have to write? Void, same thing only. Void, but I have to pass my year. Function definition. Yeah, but semicolon is missing. Semicolon, I should not declare semicolon. Okay, the function definition. Then after that, I have to write this program. This program now, if here all this will be written in the should be right in the subprogram, then you have to write. So it's very simple logic we are supposed to write. Okay, yeah, I'm getting some messages through that. Actually, Shivapriya, not only checking modulus of 4, that's why I have written 3 conditions that we are supposed to check. Okay. Write a C program to calculate a set of n numbers, average set of n numbers. So average set of n numbers, very easy thing. If you are getting 4 inputs, how will you calculate the average of n numbers?
By 4.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, average set of 4 numbers. Depending upon n numbers, you have to give it, and it's a very simple program you have to write. Yeah, correct. Then you have seen, convert the given number Fahrenheit to Celsius. Actually, I have written the formula Celsius to Fahrenheit. So get one input Fahrenheit and convert the formula Fahrenheit to Celsius formula and write it. Very simple C program. Okay. And you just see, write a C program with function concept to find the condition for a given set to get engineering admission. So listen, these questions I have, whatever I have shared now, from that only I have taken. So they have given 4 conditions. Okay. Or you are supposed to write this condition. So how they have given now? So you see, I have written these 3 conditions. You just see. So void engineering admission, I have written in which form? Function form. So what is my main function name here? What is my function name?
Engineering admission.
Engineering admission. Okay. I have given 3 inputs. What are they? Maths, physics, chemistry.
Physics.
Chemistry. So maths, physics, chemistry, engineering admission. So this is my function declaration and this is my function calling. And in my subprogram, I will write. So what are the things I am writing? I will calculate total because they have given 2 conditions. What are the 2 conditions now? Whether, see this condition. Total in 3 subject greater than or equal to 200 or total in maths and subject greater than or equal to 150. That's why I have written these 2 conditions. Total 1, maths plus physics plus chemistry, or total 2, maths plus physics plus chemistry plus 2. So I will do nested if condition here. So first condition I have written, you all know and what is this operator? What is this operator? And operator. So maths should be greater than or equal to 60, physics should be greater than or equal to 50, and chemistry should be greater than or equal to 40. Where I have written these conditions, you go back and you check it here itself. Here Here the conditions are there. Here the conditions are there. So using this, I have written in if condition. After writing if condition, I will check one more condition, whether all the total will be greater than or equal to 20, or operator I am using total 2 greater than or equal to 150. So whether it is selected for engineering or else it is not selected for the engineering admission. So this is the way I will return my program. So you all know the basic thing what you have learned, the same thing will be in the program. So once you have done the practice programs in C, then your programming knowledge will be improved. So for that sake, we are supposed to ask you to do all the programs. So yesterday someone have asked, ma'am, what is the part A question? You all understand part A question means how in your schooling, when you learn all part B question, then automatically you have a capability to answer your part A question. That's why you see, if you learn C token, you can able to answer what is defined variables. Then get char, put char. If you know formatted and unformatted IO statement, then you can able to answer. Switch case, when you know the control structure, you can write the syntax for switch case. Recursive function, okay. Then data type. Okay, why we have to include stdioh in our programs? We all know all the standard input output function will be supported. So even I have to mandatory to give printf and scanf statement, I need a stdioh header files. Distinguish, break and continue. You all know that we are learning break, continue, go to in the unconditional decision structure. So that, unconditional structures. So there we will write the break and continue. Again, define recursion. What is keyword? You all know the keywords in C. So 32 keywords which is given in your PPT. So here they are just asking about the 4 keywords. Write notes on scanf function. Again, it is a formatted IO function they will ask. List down bitwise operator. So while we are learning all exclusive or and operator and or operator, we will use the bitwise operator. What do you mean by function? In function, we are learning 2 types of function. User-defined function and predefined function. But you think that user-defined function definitely will be in part B question. Now, predefined function will be asked in part A question. Okay, define algorithm, flowchart, it all comes under the basics of C. Distinguish between variable and constant, C token again. Distinguish between while and do while control looping. Write the syntax for loop. So these are all, when you learn all your part B, then ma'am, for CAE or from this question, Yashwant, one thing you will understand, ma'am, for I can get it your answer. Poojashi, ma'am, for symbols, how many marks you will reduce if we make any mistakes? That depends on your answer sheet. We can't give any assurance. Okay. Actually, I'm not very sure the CAE question will come from here, but this is, I have referred nearly some 10 question papers from your previous years, and then I have consolidated here because you don't know what will be your question and you don't have some idea about the questions. So for that sake, I have done that. Once you learn this, then automatically you will get very good score. Is clear, ma'am? Yeah, I will send these questions in WhatsApp. Yeah, definitely I will send you. Okay, and you see unit 2. Okay, I think while we move on to see this particular PPT, unit 1 PPT, which covers till your formatted IO statements. Till that it will be covered. Control statement alone we gave the separate PPT. Functions alone we gave the separate PPT. So you may refer this 3 PPT or as post material. We have split up into 2 and we have uploaded for your purpose. Okay, when you move on to unit 2, I told you unit 2, the programs, what they will ask in unit 2. Now, unit 2, it's very, comparing to unit 1, the general programs are very, very less. Because unit 2, what we learn, the program in theory, the same program can be asked in exams. So, along, while teaching unit 2 itself, we have explained you, we have explained the programs also. I think I will go to the question paper. So you just see, what do you mean by union? How to declare, initialize and access your union. Explain with programming examples in detail. So yesterday, while we are teaching about union, we have seen how to declare the union, how to access, all with example. That's enough. Strings. At the particular PPT, we have explained only about string handling function. What are the string handling function you have learned, ma? What are the string handling function?
Stir len, stir copy, stir cat, stir come, stir lower, stir upper.
Yeah, 7. Okay, so all this will be, so the question is, think, what do you mean by string? Explain the various, or else if the question is like that, explain the follow function of following with example. String concatenation, string compare, string copy, string length. So if they ask specifically, you explain that string handling functions alone, or if the question is very generalized, you have to explain all the string handling function. Yes, clear? Then you see, explain the nested structure with example. I think ma'am have explained you about the nested structure, what is inner structure and what is outer structure, and how to access the outer structure to the structure variables, and how to access the inner structure to the structure member. So all that nested structure. So structure, the question will be from nested structure or array of structure or general structure program or function of structure program, any program. But I'm just giving the examples. Ma'am, please upload this PDF in parts of proof. Yeah, definitely. I told you. What are the difference between, once this class completes, I will share, I will save this and I will send to you. Okay. If you studied this, then you will be strong in C. I'm very sure on that. What are the difference between structure and C? So you may expect this question in 2 mark as well as in part B. According to that, you have to explain. See, what I explain the structure of C program, explain it with an example. It is not a basic structure. It is a structure which is asked in the second unit. So at that time, you have to explain what is structure and what is the syntax for that. And you have to explain with one example. So structure alone, we have given 3 example programs in your PPT. One is simple structure, how to access a single variable. Then one more program with 3 book variables, how to access. And then one we explained with some character in pointer. So we have explained 3 programs for basic, structure of C. Okay, you can explain any one of the program. So you just see another one important portion. You all see structure concept alone won't help you to access. Structure with array of structure only help you to write. So array of structure is very, very, very important topic. So discuss in detail about array of structure. So array of structure, we have given 2 programs in your PPT. One is with student data and another with employee data. So how to get the employees detail. Another with student detail. So both are given. Okay. Then you know function of structure also yesterday we studied. Pass by array, pass by structure, and global structure variable. But that question was not there, means don't think that it is not an important question. This question, I have referred that 8 university question papers and I have shared you, because that particular question which covers the entire 5 units. So it will be somewhat confused for you. Okay, so for that I have taken only which is given for our CAE syllabus. That questions alone I have taken, I have pasted over here. Is clear? And what do you mean by one-dimensional array? Explain how to declare, initialize and access with a program to search a number in a given array. So you all know how to declare the array, how to initialize, and then a searching program that is also given in the PPT. So that particular topic is given in one-dimensional array. Then you see how an array can be declared and initialized in C. So declaring and initializing array concept, that is 8th and 9th, the question is about the array questions. But don't think that, ma'am, it is asking only about, sometimes they may ask about 2-dimensional array. Sometimes they may ask about array using functions, that is passing the entire array, that is pass by value and pass by reference method in the array. That can be also asked. Okay. Unit 2 programs. I told you Unit 2 programs. It's very simple that sometimes. So you see first program. Write a C program to read and write any 5 detailed student by using structure. This is nothing but array of structure. Sometimes the question will not be very specific. This program is from, you have to understand, okay, 5 students, I cannot able to write the 5 students using normal structure program. So if I combine using array of structure, the program length will be reduced and it is easy for me to write. So see, explain with sample output in detail. I think that will be helpful. Write a C program to perform addition of 2 matrices. Addition is explained, subtraction is explained, multiplication of matrix is explained. That is also explained here. Okay. Then see, write a program to read 5 cross 5. So 5 cross 5 means 5 rows, 5 columns. So maximum 25 elements will I can able to read it from maximum number in that array. So normally we will do 3 cross 3, but this is a 2-dimensional program, a 2-dimensional array program for 5 cross 5 matrix. Okay. And you see some of the unit 2 part B questions. So these are all about, sorry, part B questions we have discussed.
1 liter 25, 2 liter 40.
This is all from part A. Part A, you just, sorry, this is not part B. This is part A questions. Okay. What do you mean by array? List out various applications of array. How do you pass an array as a function argument? So you think that if it does not asked in part B, definitely it will be asked in part A. Write various string handling functions. That time you have to mention only the string handling functions, not to explain about it. Write the general form of structure definition. So you have to explain what is structure and syntax for structure. That's very important. What is union? That is repeated question. What is union? Define union and all. Differentiate array and structure. That can be asked in unit part A questions. Write the syntax for creating the 2-dimensional array. So while you are specifying the 2-dimensional array, very simple. Int arrays, array name, in bracket you have a 2 subscript, one for row and another for column. Differentiate structure and union. That is also. List down the types of various arrays. How to define strings. Write the general form of structure definition. So I think these are some part A question. Explain the answer for the 3rd question, please. How do you pass an array as a function argument? So you all understand function, we have studied 2 methods, call by value, call by reference. So passing the array also we have 2 methods, pass by value and pass by reference. 2 methods are there. So there you have to explain that. And structure also we have that. That's why call by value and call by reference, while we are teaching itself, we told you it's one of the very important question. Okay. I think students, if any doubt, you just download that particular PPT. I think all the PPT we have given for you and we have updated. So you just see this. For each topic we given that. See, for example, one accessing the array is a single dimension accessing the array. Okay, this is array through user. This is input we directly given there, and this is through keyboard we how to access the array and how to add all the elements in the array. Okay, and this is multi-dimensional array concept. We have explained the addition of matrix. Okay, if they ask you to give only the input, you just before this you complete it. Addition of 2 matrix is not enough. It's not necessary. Okay, so you just see how to read and print the elements in 2-dimensional array, matrix addition, matrix subtraction, matrix multiplication, array as a passing the entire array and passing the element array element by element. So passing the entire array will comes under pass by address method. So you have to explain that pass by array. So you just see the program is also correspondingly passing the entire array. So passing the entire array, this is we have given. So all the programs we have given. So limitations of array. Okay, applications of array, all the questions have given that. So when you refer it, your PPT, the PPT is, we have uploaded it very clearly, and for your purpose, I think even third year, final year students are sending the messages, ma'am, kindly send the CPPT. Because when you go for any interview, when we refresh this PPT, we can able to answer. So that much of importance is there. So you will understand from this how much important we were teaching for you. And you all know this is the control statements. So control statement also you all see decision and looping. So a conditional decision statement, you explain if else and switch. So you have to explain with one syntax and with one simple example. So you are supposed to know according to your timing, 1 hour, 10:15 to 11:15 means 1 hour, 5 part A and 2 part B with either or type. So you write in clear, plain white sheet. Don't write it in any kind of papers. It is well good if you write it in A4 sheets. I think you people clearly write it and upload it. Check your size. That is very important. 40 MB, and you have to check your speed of the internet also. It should be there where you are writing your exam, there the internet speed should be very, then you can check the internet speed in your using some of the web portal. So you check it and set it there and you write the exams. Is clear? So I think while we seeing to that all questions, I think this particular questions, I have taken only from this question paper. So nearly some 9 question papers I have sent to you. Not 9, 8 question papers. From the 8 question paper only, I have taken all the questions. You all know this particular question paper is only for C programming. So this particular question which doesn't cover C++. So first 6 questions we have taken from part A, and similarly in part B also the first 6 questions, which is the 3 units for the older syllabus. Now it become 2 units. So from that, I have taken all the part B questions and part A questions. Okay, from there, we have referred and we have taken. Any doubt specifically you need, you may ask. Any doubt, or ma'am, this particular topic. So, because you all know 22 hours so far we have taken. Among this 22 hours, only 9 hours they have allocated for unit 1 and unit 2. So nearly 4 hours we have spent to take a time to teach for you. Okay, because unit 3, you all know this is our unit 3 syllabus, pointers and file processing. That will be tried to cover after your exams. Okay, after your assessment exam only, we try to cover. But when you go with unit 4, again it is started by C++. So again, you all know for it's not like other subject, we can able to rush up to understand your purpose. So if you do this practice program in C, it will be well easy for you to write the programs. And one more thing, I will tell you the internal marks, how we were calculating. That is also. Don't leave the meeting. Okay, you all know attendance 5 mark. Attendance mandatorily 5 mark. So for 21 hours, 5 marks will be internal. Now we were calculating, soon we will upload in your LMS. You can see how whatever the subject whatever the hours you are present. Internal marks 50. External marks 50. Put together 100. Yes, but we will give 50 marks to your internal exam cell. They will combine according to your attendance marks. So how we will calculate now? CAE 1, 30 marks. CAE 2, 30 marks. Combinedly, we convert into 30. Plus quiz 1 and quiz 2. Combinedly, we convert into 5 marks. assignment 1 and assignment 2 combinedly we will convert into 15 marks. So totally 50, then that 5 also added you. Along with that, everything will put together and convert into 50 marks. That is your internal marks. After your CAE 1 and CAE 2, your internal mark will be uploaded in your LMS. So those who are not in LMS, if you missed CAE 1, you cannot able to write the CAE 1 in another time, because it is well prepared and it is all uploaded in our academic calendar. So we are all following our academic calendar, we are updating. So complete accordingly only it will be changed. So getting some other subject hours and we were taking the hours for you to cover. So I think from your side, I need some support to study and prepare well, and till C will not get over here. You will study in embedded C, all for that. C is your mother language. So when you are strong in your programming language, then it will be very easy. And C is a lively subject that we have explained not only through just sharing the PPT and not teaching. Every time we are executing the program. It's clear, we are executing the program in a compiler and we are giving some practicing programs. So for assignment 1, definitely 5 marks will be taken from that. So the remaining 10 marks only I will upload the question. So remember that and you complete it and attend all the exams, okay, without fail. And one more thing, you know how to write and how to convert into PDF. Check the size and upload it. Everything should happen within 1 hour, 15 minutes. So be very strong in your subject, then only you can able to write it very quickly, because writing 5 part A and 2 part B for 1 hour, it's a way, it's enough for you to do. So I think you people may write it at that time. Any more doubts or questions from your side? Are you there in the meeting?
Important questions, ma'am.
Huh? Pawan
Important
Kumar?
questions.
Manikanda Sai Teja, what I am telling so far? You didn't understand what I have told you. I have discussed today only the important questions.
Yes, ma'am. For
Huh?
taking screenshot, ma'am.
Taking screenshot, I will share you this question in WhatsApp group. Is clear?
Okay,
Okay.
Okay,
So you are not listening my class so far. That's why this type of questions are arised from your side. I'm saying that after completing this class, I will share you that and see tokens. You refer, study this. Unit 1 PPT is there. We will put up all the data types. Okay. And then the another important thing is C tokens. So 60 tokens are there. So keywords, operators, strings, constants, special characters, identifiers or variables. So they may ask, very important C token here is about your operators. Okay, operators, they were asking very important operator, arithmetical, relational, logical, conditional, all operators they are asking repeatedly. So you people refer this and study. So are you all clear with this? And then you move on to that. Everything is uploaded. Formatted IO statements, unformatted IO statements. We gave a scanf, printf, put C, get C, put S, get S. All this you refer it and you study. This is how we were taught. That is uploaded in your PPT, and we have uploaded according to the category. According to the category, we have uploaded. So you people have to understand well and you do your exams. Yeah, Surya, what's your doubt? Why you raised your hands? Surya? Surya, tell me. Any more doubts you have from your side, ma? I think while we are teaching, we have uploaded all this PPT. That's why we have uploaded the PPT, not unit wise. topic wise. You can download it and you can study it very easily. So that for that purpose only. So when you take unit 1, please concentrate on C tokens, control statements and functions. These are very important topic in unit 1. When you go with unit 2, array structure array structure and strings, all are very important. String, there is a probable only one question. Explain the types of string handling function. That is the only probable question. But when you go with array and structure, we have nested structure they may ask, or generally they may ask in a structure. Array or structure they may ask, or about functions in structure they may ask. Arrays, the probable question is how to declare a single dimensional array, multi-dimensional array, and something related to the programs in arena. Matrix addition, matrix multiplication, matrix subtraction they may ask. Okay. Yeah. Any more doubts you have, ma? Any more doubts or any more topic? Why the strength is... see, listen, we were taking the attendance day by day attendance. No, Shivapriya, no doubt in this particular subject. Are you all been strong in C after completing this? Because only we have 3 units to cover C and the 2 units from C++. So one more unit, that is pointers, file processing, storage classes will be covered in unit 2. Okay, sorry, unit 3. So there we will cover after your syllabus. Yes. So structure PPT, array PPT, that all been downloaded. So you may do some, no doubt regarding format and pattern, ma'am. Format and pattern. But regarding subject, you have any doubt, Shivapriya? You have any doubts in structures of a particular topic? Format and pattern, okay, you will understand well. But I'm asking any specific topic, any more doubts, anything wants to clear. Practice programs, I told you that you people kindly do all the practice programs. Once you done your practice programs, definitely you all been very strong. So see, around 630 strength, only 250 students have attempted the quiz. Remember that you have an academic calendar. In that academic calendar, we will follow definitely from assignment 1, 5 marks will be taken from practice program in C. So out of 15, I will divide by 3. So if you get 15 marks only, you will get 5 marks. So if you have 0 marks, then your assignment out of 15, you will get only 10 marks. I am very sure on that. Course material and PPT are same, are different, ma'am. Okay, actually, course material and PPT are same only, but PPT we have put some more effort to understand well. We have clearly given both are same only. Okay, PPT how we were taking the class the same way we have put up that. It's clear. So if you follow the class, you may refer the PPT. I think where you can understand well.
Ma'am,
Yes,
tell them about uploading, ma'am. Uploading.
Yeah, whether you today you have, they have the mock test. So you listen, students, you have a size of 40 MB. Check your file before uploading. For programming in C, you uploaded the electrical technology answer sheet, your mark will become 0. Upload the correct concerned subject. Before uploading, check your file name. Put your name followed by the subject name. That's very important, ma'am. While I'm uploading, I have uploaded the wrong file. That will not be taken into the account. If you send through WhatsApp, it will not be taken into the account. It will be taken only if you uploaded in LMS. LMS is the only learning management system website for you to get your information of getting your internal marks and uploading your answer sheet. So through that only you have to do, and prescribed time will be have to be followed. Sharply log in by 10:10 AM. 10:15, the question paper will be open and you download your question paper and start writing your answer sheet. Complete by 11:15 and 11:15 to 11:30 your uploading time. Before uploading, check continually convert into PDF and scan it according to your page number. Don't skip any page. you cannot able to upload 2 or 3 files, only single file with the size of 40 MB. So you just be very strong in that. You have to check your file name and you have to check the arrangement of your answer sheet, and then you have to upload in a correct time. Is clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yeah, you can write it in both the sides. That's not the thing. But you write it in A4 sheet for your clarity and thing. Is clear? So be well and write other subjects. They started third unit for you. Yes or no? Other subjects they have
Yes, ma'am.
started.
Yes,
Mostly
ma'am.
they are. Mostly they have started.
Started,
Okay.
ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Started, ma'am.
Started. Okay. So I